Hello friends, so today I will do unboxing for black&Dacer or Decker dustbuster. Okay, it came in this like that box 3.6V, okay, and 5.4 WH. Okay, so let's begin. So it came with manual, of course, but I don't know where I put it. The manual for information about the product itself. Also it came with two accessories. One is like this brush, kind of brush, and one is like this nozzle, I don't know, for narrow places and whatever. Okay, like this. Okay, and it came with this tool to hang the charger, and this one is chargeable. It came with charger. Okay, and this one use here to hang this charger. Okay, and the main product or the main machine is this one, small, handy dandy, rechargeable, very nice. You can use it for narrow place in your home or for clean the sofas. You can take it with you in the car. You can clean the car also, because rechargeable and no wires, nothing, very small and easy. And yeah, so let's review. So as you see here, the button on and off, and inside is the filter. Okay, and this one to open the filter. Okay, and very easy peasy as you see. So for review, I keep this one area like balcony door area dirty. Okay, now I will open. You can see this area here and this area, you know the difference. Very easy. For narrow places also, you know, see the difference. So very easy and peasy and rechargeable. Okay, and this is the filter. I will try in one hand to open the filter. Just a minute. You can open from here and clean the filter. Very nice, I recommend it. Okay, it came like this. Okay, with this and this nozzle here, as you see, and in this box, as you see. So hope you like it. Be happy, be smile, be beautiful from inside. Until another video, stay home, stay safe. If you like me, please subscribe, like, share and comment to my channel, Sweet Queen 1100. Bye, love you all.